of our father's land, we love and spread and say, the name of our heroes shall never be in vain. To serve we have a mind, one nation born in freedom, peace and unity.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Bauchi State, distinguished Senator Babatela, Your Excellency, the Right Honorable Speaker of the Bauchi State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Abubakar Y. Suleiman, members of the Bauchi State House of Assembly, the Chairman of the PDP, the Secretary to the Government, the Chief of Staff, members of the State Executive Council, the Head of Service. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, we have made giant strides over the last 1 year in our efforts towards the implementation of projects and programs that affect the social and economic lives of our people. We have, without any iota of doubt, steered the affairs of our dear state to the path of development and sustainable growth. The 2021 budget proposal was formulated in line with our great party's manifesto and my government's vision for Greater Bauchi State, which are aimed at transforming the social, economic and political future. 258,891 naira was realized against the budgeted figure of 18,722,396,338 naira.
Gwamnan Bauchi gagara da
ba kayan shirin ka da wasa.
Ja gaba dai kuje toron giwa gamna Bala Muhammad mai sanya farin ciki ga marayu.
Gwamnan Bauchi gagara ba da
ba kayan shirin ka da tsoro.
Ja gaba dai waje turan giwa gwamna Bala Muhammad duk yan Bauchi na
Ita Marbela cikin tafari amma na mantana da alamu.
Gwamnan Bauchi gagara ba da
mu mun san akwai hujjoji mai zagin mukar da mu damu.
Kaura be shirinsa da tsoro.
Gwamna shi ya gyara jihar Bauchi duk kan shirin mu ya samu.
Sanya farin ciki ga marayu.
Sanya farin ciki ga marayu gwamnan Bauchi gagara